Okay, so we just got to the mall. We're gonna go in here. We're going to check out Yankee Candle because they just released their Halloween stuff today. And we're also gonna go check out Bath and Body Works because they have all of their fall and Halloween stuff out. And we might hit up some other stores too to see what Halloween stuff they have out. So let's go check it out. So our first stop was Yankee Candle, and this was filmed on Saturday, which was yesterday, and this was the first day that they released all of their Halloween stuff, and they had the cutest displays. They had 2 different window displays, and everything inside was just decorated so cute for Halloween. Even the awesome ladies working in the store were dressed in Halloween costumes, which I thought was pretty cool. As you can see, there was a gypsy right there behind this display. So they have a lot of new stuff at Yankee Candle. So if you are a Yankee Candle fan and you're especially a Halloween Yankee Candle fan or even a fan of the Boney Bunch collection from Yankee Candle, you need to go check it out like right now because the stuff in there was amazing. Everything smelled so good, but not only that, it's just walking in there will give you total Halloween vibes. Next up is Bath and Body Works. They also had some super cute Halloween stuff and Halloween displays. So yeah, if you're looking for Halloween and fall scents, I would definitely head over to Bath and Body Works because not only do they have the candles, room sprays, the scented wall plug-ins, they have body lotion, hand soap, body wash, body spray. I mean, they really got it going on. So go check them out. They got some good stuff out right now. After leaving Bath and Body Works, we had to stop and see the pups. We love going into this little pet store they have in the mall. They have the cutest puppies all the time. They have kittens, they have birds. Sometimes they even have baby pigs, but it's just fun to walk around and check out all the little animals. They're so adorable. So then we also went into the Hallmark Store, and the Hallmark Store didn't have a lot of decorations out yet, but pretty soon I'm sure they will, and they always have super cute Halloween decorations in there. They also have amazing Halloween greeting cards, and they also have candles as well. Y'all, it is hot as hell here in Houston, Texas. But anyway, so we got some stuff from Bath and Body Works. We're gonna come back another time and hit up the Yankee Candle. But got a pretty good deal at Bath and Body Works because they had $10 off of 30, and then they had $10 off of a candle. So combining that coupon plus Texas tax, it says Texas tax on the receipt, that's funny. We got 5 items for $38.86. We got 2 bath bombs, a hand soap, which was on sale for $3, body wash, and a candle. I think it was a pretty good deal. So after we left the mall, we had to go to the grocery store, and I seen these, so I thought I would add these in as well. They have 3 limited edition scents. So we just got home, we got something to eat, and we also went to the grocery store. I got some stuff from H-E-B. Anyways, I just want to show you guys everything we got from Bath & Body Works. So we got the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Shower Gel, and this is what the label looks like. We also got the Perfect Pumpkin Hand Soap. It's got the black cat on it. And we also got the Perfect Pumpkin Candle. And we also got the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin Bath Bombs. This is Bath Fizzy, but these are awesome. We love these. We actually got 2 of them. So yeah, we got 2 bath bombs, hand soap, body wash, candle. Yay! This stuff smells amazing though. You guys should check it out. Bath and Body Works.